The 5 hacks to create a month's worth of content in just one day. The first is set up a WhatsApp group with yourself. When you're out and about throughout the month, take photos, get inspiration, drop it in the WhatsApp group so you've got loads of ideas when you come to do your content. The second is have a monthly content plan. So schedule out across the month what you're going to do when, so going into it you know what the content plan is. The third thing is batch content. So don't always create it. Have a time in your calendar where you sit down, you get all of that what we call raw content done. You do your filming, you look in the WhatsApp group, you take the photos, the videos, whatever it is that you're doing, and then you batch it all together. Fourth is find someone to support you. We have personal content managers in our business, and that's what I'd recommend, is find someone to support you with your content so that you know you've got the accountability and they can do a lot of the heavy lifting and support with it. And then fifth, make sure it's scheduled. So again, the personal content manager will schedule it on behalf of our clients, and we need to make sure that we're doing that so that you can do it for one day, you can do the heavy lifting, pass it to your content manager, and then they take care of the rest.